Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. This is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2015 Toyota Highlander. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well. The system is the newest generation. It comes with the Android 14. It also comes with 10.2 inches high definition screen. It's also fully compatible all the steering wheel control and the backup camera as well. At the same time, the unit also comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means you can also insert the SIM card to the unit to access to the internet. Of course, if you don't want to use the SIM card, you can always just share the Wi-Fi hotspot from the cell phone, and then you can still access all the features right here. Let's start from the setting menu right here. This is the setting menu of the system here. You can set up all the Wi-Fi network here. You can just turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone, and then you can pair the cell phone, and then you can use the YouTube and Netflix and all those kind of applications, such as the Netflix. And you can also use the TV. You can see that the unit is actually very smooth. It's very fast right here. And at the same time, you can also pull down the menu from the top and then hold the Wi-Fi icon here. You can also pair the Wi-Fi hotspot here. Other than that, you can also go to car infotainment, common. You can also set up all the features right here. For example, you can, if you want to listen to the music while the car is in reverse, you can change the setting right here, reverse volume suppression. Okay, so if you still want to listen to the music while your car is in reverse, then you can click on none. So that means when you reverse the car, the music can still play out from the speaker. You can also change the boot up logo right here. As you can see, you can just copy the picture to the USB, and then you can upload to the unit. Another thing is the volume. You can also adjust the audio output on every single application. For example, media, navigation, and system and Bluetooth. Another thing is the sound. The system also comes with DSP. It also allows you to adjust all the sound quality based on your personal preference, such as the equalizer right here. It also comes with some couple preset option right here. You can also come with the smart sound here. Just keep that in mind. If your car comes with JBL, this system will also be fully compatible with the JBL as well. So it's very nice. If you want to adjust the balance, you can also adjust the balance right here. Video in motion by default is gonna be turned on. However, if you want to watch the video while the car is in motion, you can always turn it off. That means you can activate the video in motion on the unit. Another thing is the navigation right here. You can also adjust the navigation software here. Other than that, you can also download any application from the Google Play Store here, such as the Google Map, such as the Netflix, YouTube. Let's try the YouTube here. As you can see, the picture quality is very high. It's HD version right here. And at the same time, you can also go back to the main screen here, and then you can watch the Netflix. You can also use the Google Map, and you can download any application such as the Waze. The Google Map is the newest version of the Google Map. It also comes with the offline feature. How to use the Google Map offline? Basically, just click on the icon here, go to offline map, select your own map, and then you can download the map to the unit. It's very nice. Okay, and the thing is, you can also copy the video to the USB, and then you can play the media directly from the USB. You can use the VLC, or maybe you can also use the XM radio here. This is the XM radio. Or you can also even download the TikTok here. You just need to log into your account.
Just when you think that the coast is clear.
Please.
Every morning you wake up.
That's very nice. And the thing, of course, you come with the radio here. This is the radio here. Which one? Let me see. This. This is the radio. If you want to save, the radio station, just need to hold the icon right here. Then the radio station will save it. Okay, as you can see, it's saved on the unit. You can also listen to the radio and use the navigation at the same time. You also come with a different film right here. For example, you can change the color of the film. For example, if you want it to be wet, then you can change to wet here. You can fully customize, the unit. By default, I'm going to leave it as the blue. The system also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, this is the most important feature for most of the people. In order to use the Apple CarPlay, first of all, you need to use the cell phone to pair the Bluetooth. Go to phone, and then go to phone here. Go to Bluetooth actually. Okay, and then search the device name BT7616, and then click pair, allow. Now it moves to the Apple CarPlay, and then click on connect. Now you're done. You can put the phone on the side. The first time might take a little bit longer to pair, but every time when you pair with the unit, every time when you get into the vehicle, the system will automatically pair with your phone by Apple CarPlay. This is Apple CarPlay if you use iPhone. This one also supports the newest version of the iOS. Okay, the Apple CarPlay comes with two interfaces. One is the split screen here, and the one is the classic screen, come with all the icon here. And then it also come with the voice control. You can also use this one. What's the temperature today? This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.